It's a beautiful day here. It's Rudi here with your yard service, and let me take off the glasses here. Alright, well, thanks so much for watching. We have another beautiful property here, and this is one of the lawns. Let me take off here my earmuffs, my Mickey Mouse. Yeah, so today we are here on a beautiful property. This is one of the properties that does grow because they do water. This is what you want to do when we have a drought situation, and we still have to mow it here. This is one of the properties we mow about 3 to 3.5 inches, and it's lush and green, and we are putting great strapping on it. And in the background you can see Bailey. She is doing all the hard work. Now there she is, Bailey. Giving her best. Giving her best. Alright, let me walk you to the back side of the property. There's some wacky stuff going on. Okay, so they took down the garage here, and now we are dealing with fencing and all that good stuff. Need to put the lawnmower across the rebars. Look how uneven that stuff is. That's why we need to go through, all through here. Sorry for the shakiness. And that's the backyard here. Beautiful lawn again, and this is what we're gonna cut. Bailey is going off-roading. That's seriously 4x4. You're going off-roading. 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 That's how we do it here. That's how Canadians cut the grass.